nephews, welcome back again to Auntie Nell's Kitchen, and to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family with lots of hearts and hugs, okay? Thank you all for your love and support to my channel and all your inspirational comments and thoughts and prayers. Yes, I'm still in the kitchen cooking that Easter dinner, Easter meal, holiday, whatever. However you celebrate this weekend, whether you call it Easter or whatever faith you follow, whether you celebrate it at all, okay? It's all about love coming from Auntie's kitchen, okay? So today I'm going to be making my honey butter cornbread. Okay, so give me like I said, I've never gone without a holiday of cooking. And even though I know I've been under the weather, but I'm taking my time, I'm pacing myself, but I gotta feel normal, okay? So let me do a flip and a swip, and we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna show you everything you need so you can hopefully put this on your table tomorrow or any day. You don't have to wait till a holiday to have good food, okay? So give me a moment, go do a flip and a swip, and I'll be right back. Okay, first we're going to be using 2 cups of self-rising yellow cornmeal, okay? Now my go-to brand, I like this brand called Tasty Bake. It's in like an orange bag. So I'm going to be going with, hold on, this 1.5 cup. Let me go get my cup, my other one. Okie dokie. I got my 2 cups of, my leveler. I tell you, I'm still got my 2 cups of cornmeal, as you can see. Level that off. That's 1 cup. Have your nice big bowl, okay? Make sure you got a nice good big bowl. I'm making this good cornbread now. Okay? We're gonna have our 2 cups of this cornmeal. Now cornbread is something that, you know, when you make it so much, like my Pearl used to say, it's ingrained in your spirit. Let me put this back and I'll be right back. I'm going to be taking a 1/2 stick of butter, and I'm going to go ahead and get this melted down. Going to get that melted down instead of just throwing it in the microwave, because I'm going to be doing this. Okay, so I'm going to take one. Where's my cup? Lord have mercy. I'm going to go ahead and take me a 1/3 cup of sugar and whisk that around in here. Now I'm not going to add any salt to this because my butter is salted. Okay. Gonna get my sugar and cornmeal all together. Oh, finger got jangled up. Okay, I'm going to take my butter, add it in here. That's 1/2 stick of butter, and I'm taking 3/4 cups of oil, and I'm going to take 1.5 cups of milk. I don't have to use buttermilk because that cornmeal is buttermilk, has buttermilk in it. You can use some extra buttermilk if you want to. That's totally up to you. And so what you do, you mix all this together first before you add anything else. It's not going to look soupy for long because I just added my 2 cups of cornmeal, and I'm going to add more. I just want to make sure that it gets, all this wetness gets really dissolved. My hand tightening up. Hold on. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of honey. Any honey of your choice would do. You like wildflower honey, orange blossom honey, any kind of honey of your choice would do. all of that. Then I'm gonna add my 3 large eggs. Okay, now throw that over there, a little housekeeping. Okay, now I can go. Now I've got this all well incorporated. It's nice and wet. Now I can go back and add my other 2 cups of cornmeal. As soon as I find my, where's my leveler? Oh, I'll use this one. Oh, it's right there in my face. Had a bit of snake, it would have bit me. The key to good cornbread, I'm gonna tell you, is gotta have enough oil and eggs in it. You gotta have enough oil. The key to good Southern grandmama cornbread, you gotta have enough oil and eggs in it, or it's gonna be dry. It's not good. And your cornmeal batter should look like this. It should not. You should not be able to scoop it up like ice cream. It should be loose, not wet like soup, but to this consistency, creamy. Just make sure those eggs are all blended in. Okay? And I'm going to, my oven is already preheated to 350. Little housekeeping over there. Housekeeping. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this in a pan. I'm going to use my beautiful new baking dish that was sent to me for this cornbread. Thank you, dear. For this cornbread. And see, that's why I love this Tasty Bake. And this is gonna bake for about 45 minutes. Little housekeeping. And I'm gonna get this in the oven, let this bake for about 45 minutes at 350, and I'll be back. I'm gonna go ahead and get my butter ready for my honey butter. So it's a half a stick of butter. I'm just gonna take this and put it over here, and then I'm gonna add about a half a cup of honey. But so I'm just gonna leave that over there and put that over here. Put my butter back in. I'm telling you, every time Kroger have butter on sale, I just go crazy and stock up. I keep butter. Lots of butter. But I can't believe it's not butter, okay? Okay, cornbread is done. And what I'm doing, I'm going around here, the side, because I'm getting ready to make my honey butter. Get my butter out the microwave. Went around here to the side because I'm getting ready to mix in my honey butter. So I'm going to I took a half a stick of butter, melted it, nuked it, and I'm going to take 1/3 cup of honey. And I'm going to take my pastry brush and I'm going to blend all this together. Gonna mix it really, really well. You just keep mixing, because that butter is hot, so it's gonna make that honey is gonna melt right into it. You don't have to worry about the honey being room temperature and the butter is not. It's gonna melt all of that goodness into it. And that's why I'm using a pastry brush, and I'm gonna just lather this honey butter on here. Make sure I get those edges, because I want some of this goodness to drip down in on the sides. That's why I'm starting with these edges. Yum, yum, yum. And see those nooks and crannies? I want to make sure I get those nooks and crannies really good with this honey butter. Churches ain't got nothing on Auntie. And you can make this at home. That's my timer. Oops. Oh, no. Got my oven. I had to turn my oven temperature up, because Auntie is... So tomorrow, I won't be doing anything tomorrow but resting again, because our dinner will be done. So Kayla and I will just be kicking back tomorrow, spending probably some time, probably binge watching a couple of movies. We're not going anywhere tomorrow. Not feeling it. So look at that. See that beautiful? Look at that. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Let me bring this up to you. Throw that over that little house. Bring this up to you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that glaze. And cornbread, you don't cut it as soon as it comes out the oven. You have to let it rest. At least give it a couple of minutes to rest before you start cutting into it, okay? So I'm going to just move this out the way and let it rest. And then you'll see what it looks like in the thumbnail, okay? See, I got my veggies over here because I'm getting ready to start on my last little thingy. Thank you for watching my video on Auntie's honey butter cornbread, Southern style, country style. This, it's my recipe, so they liked it, they loved it. So, I hope you make it and hope you love it too. Until the next upload, go be you, but be great being you. Remember to make that lemonade, okay? Hearts and tight hugs and kisses to each of you. Thank you for all of your love and support. Until the next upload, I will see you then, okay? Bye.